Alright guys, so we're back over here checking out some of the trophies going on here. Got a sweet Cobra chilling. Nice Ferrari.
Maybe that's where my...
Some cool stuff going on here, man. Alright, so here we are back at the rodeo. Gonna open her up, see if we can't give out some more demos here. We ain't got any more cards to hand out, but I think we can still get some demo action going on a little bit. Got the guys running the RCs, having some fun. Alright, let's see how the rodeo is feeling.